Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Mynta sngi kalai puitrik kyllalyngkot arjat pulai, lasdang man Thep Kyrteng na arngut ki Kyrtong seng NPP. Kibidai Shipara kata Dr Ampareen Lyngdoh na Laitumkhrah Constituency, paka Dr Jasmin Lyngdoh na Nongthymmai Constituency. Yakini arngut Shipara la synran lang di bahayeng, bat nongkyrshan jong ki.Ha kani kajuh sngi Bah Pynshai M Syiem ru ulawan man Thep Kyrteng kum Kyrtong Shimet na Mylliem Constituency ryngkat jingsynran lang jong khun jong kaba teng ke MDC na kani kajuh constituency.
The seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
That will be all of this anything around will get
Keep
back
it
to you.
like sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It has always been the tradition of my family since my father, late Bah Pynshai, my late brother Bah Lyngdoh, to always file in the first hour, the first day. In order to keep up that tradition, we have come to file our nominations today.
So can you tell us that you may be fighting a heavy anti-incumbency, and not only that, you are also MLA for a few terms. How do you tackle this?
I will not use the word anti-incumbency because I feel that because I have won 4 previous elections and I have served my people, there is a high probability that my support will now expand and will reach more people. My principle always as a legislator is to ensure that we involve grassroots in all decisions taken, involve the people, listen to what they say, sort them out, build policies, prepare plans and programs, address infrastructure, address everything else as per the needs of the people as I visit them in their homes. So this connection has improved over the years, and I'm very grateful, and I do not perceive that there will be an incumbent factor on me.
Your party has published the criminal antecedents of yours, and also of course the case is pending. How do you see this? I mean, whether it will affect your prospect?
I do not think that the matter before the district and session courts will have any impact on my election. That is a matter that has already been discussed and talked about. What we're doing now is we're going before the courts. I have full faith in the judiciary system of this country, and until such time I am innocent of any wrongdoing, that will not affect my election because my people know that I am confident of no wrongdoing.
Why did you choose NPP to contest?
I chose the NPP because if I have to shift from the Congress because they showed me the door, I would like to go to a party which is firstly from the state, secondly must have a national presence, which the NPP does. Thirdly, I feel that the ideology of the NPP is close to the ideology of the Congress. It is not a communal party. It believes in inclusive politics. It is a party which believes in grassroots politics. And this way I follow in the same footsteps that I have always been coached and trained to over the years.
Ni tinggi ai 100%. Kita kasyong haki beriu, makin ai ka 100% ka jongki, makin kershan. Yang ini namar baki yo i kumdong itrai, kita ki program sa Europe ke bakin wan ra, shan Nongthymmai, baca ka jela jong ka Meghalaya, dengan kermen ba ho kindon baik badi.
Ini juga kangen hong kubu kemarin berada di jok punya tinggal di konstituensi.
Antara katong ke bahaning kong kalong bangin le ban pet ya kecing don kam jongki nong haka constituency ndai tang si sin shwa ka election tamba barabor bangin ne ken jok tin ya ki ini ngap kecing ya joki bat bangin don baik bat ki bangin ai kata ka cing syakri ka balong na ka mensim ken na makin kinyo kan ya kita kecing don kam joki surkar kebunti bahkan ai kecing don kam tambah ada ki nong yalam kim poi she ki brio kim tip hi ba ki don kini ki programs kini ki activities ban ketip kan ye ki ingin ya le ban wan ra kita ka shnong ka thau ngin pet ken e kecing don kam ki shnong ki thau wilai te hapot Nongthymmai ka ba jenjar ingin ya le kan bala ban ya keren ye kini kicing keduk kejongki namar ba kecing yo kejongki kasyu seruan nak tang haka batit kita ki ngin pet ya ki lenti senkin ki pun ki yeng ki badon kam shisha ki housing schemes ngin pet ya kita baro nang bakin yo ya kita ki kena samla jongi lai kan ong ya fi kecing start jongki tang ba undon ba penti kalat kalenti ya ki kumno bakin benbentoy ya kata kecing start tengah te ngan yo ihi ya kani ruway kalong bakaspa jong ka Meghalaya jongi bat anong umay jongi hi kadai haki kena samla kumnungin penbentoy ya ka kata kasap ba ay play ya ki bat pangin ngin petikan ya ki kai bakila banay training ki ay kita ki jingsynran ki bakila banay namar kidai ni bandon kata ka jingsynran bat jingnet ya lading bakila banwan ra ya kata ka productivity jangan toy cuci kadai tang haki beriu ni bakin suku maka bisa kadai tang sisni tambah kajing tray shitom bagi program strekam kinlong namenta syata jingim ingabu haki beriu no bakin jet ya kata bat bakin dai ban syapen bet namar ba ndakila shim ya kita kicing ai let's say dah kacing mau kacing duk kejongki kapenlong ya ki pada bakin dalej kita ki Mylliem don bas ngap syu kan ya ki kita ban start karukom bakin dapot menta kenti kita ban perkhat hang ngan syemi kita ki ai ki ba tang si sisni ne ngan pet no ya kita ki development ki ban wan syata jing im ya ki kun ki ti kalau wei jong ki kun jongi ka syong haki development ste bani wan la ka syong hingga syapa ya ki nok syong snong jong Nongthymmai bakin yo i bahaya kani kecing pangkala ladan don kam la bisa bantin kita ki bun judon bala bantin bun kadai ka karai ke jongki kadai ka hok ke jongki mat kadai ru ka jinggerman ke jongki antara kita bensuku bahaya kata
Ribet to regain, restart and regain. Ini saya sangat hong kubu waktu menjadi nakamata constituency jelah itu. Nampak constituency te kabut hi ba kuat wan matra ya ke development kalong
far ka kumba 21st century. Kita kerja te we need renew, amend, revive yang iki an balarim belajar nang bikin hamdon niat hampun ke berian tidak menyadai lah lawai juga cek betul ujung ini.
Jika saya tak tahu apa problem kita ini pun dia kena election kumdam sangat om benar juga seng the political party.
I want freedom of speech. Independent candidate have a freedom of speech. Nobody will have to say don't talk to this issue. Just keep your mouth shut on this particular issue. So I am independently. I can vouch for anything which I get.
Aduh, kalau trips kami jemut buku job ini election.
My past performance.
Kalau kat tunggu kompet tu ini bah input hagi kandidat kebanyakan pun dalam Mylliem Constituency. Babun ding bela paul pa. Dia harus mundur hai penting kena bagi pajak kan ai yang gaji kesan ni pe kumukil ai sistem kebelalai.
Namar kin haban pet unu brio wanang macam gol. Dan Shibun, Ronaldo is there, Mbappe is there, Messi is there. People to judge it. Who among them? Begini apa? Nyongut, sangut, menang macam gol. Kata-kata katai berdegarnya, extra time shoot.
Kalau lagi bahag ni ki election berada di kopi bersama pun so nampak boleh penon saya benar benar cerita kalau ada kuat pun yang dia. Baik gaji so dia buat state.
Election commission kamkan anytime kalau gang lah ikut. Lah ikut nama cakap.
Ba EUP ke Mylliem Constituency hari ni Islam kami orang bermikmat bila lelek nak sekali constituency EUP ke Mylliem Constituency hari ni kat Islam benda
kamda ilong hi kum baga dei banlong kum ka allotment ke baga government ka wanra ning baga assembly na koi ka force we ka por ke development kam long par dia la rangi page baga itu ke national highway na po lumo ba tel nyomeru nobody speak about it kiji keren issue keren betah ki yeng dorbat sendiri kim channel pada Delhi ke man find out the reason balik
pihak dia khun persyak ru iba hamlet ibu minister
ya
nak tahu baroni la de we ni minister
bagi kenmau ikam bahagi jo i bila lale akini ki khasam sistem ki lale no jena kata kadau ngaru kum ka khun ni lau pa ngatrai shitom met labat sini ban kershani ik nang bin la ban yo ya ke jingjob ban kiju ki kam ki ba ila jumbat ni haki khatan snam men sha ki balale no kiju ki kam inang la ban trai kham ha shushu hakini ki sni ban ki snam ki banang wan lara ki paj ba jo ko Mylliem Constituency ki jidi
ka besi terpi ki no Mylliem
message jong ai ki nong Mylliem dei tai ki nong Mylliem mo kane kalong na kamta barok hi ki nong kebut jong jila Meghalaya ki de ban smutu dia la ka jong ka bor ki don ban ya ka dor ka jong ki num don balla ban thiet ya ka food ka jong pi na ma ka de ka hok ka jong pi ban ha ba pin mi la ka akin yo tari ba pin le thap ya ka bor ka jong pi pin mau ma pin num thap ta nam tai la de Mylliem Shimet re bi thap ma pi nam ta ki paj ba jo ka constituency bi thap ma pi nam ta ka jai bin rio ba bi thap ma pi nam ta ki khun ki ti ki jong pi ki balle se la shala shi sni kin kli na pi ya no pi je ki e kita ki nong kimat ba pi je ki la le nam ta ka ri ba ka jai bin rio ka jong ni ban ni di ban pin mau bala da ka yeng jong ni ka im kajat bin riu ka yap pi jing ru ka yap lang ndre la da kajat bin riu ka im ying jong iru kan im lang ina kata ka daw ngi don ya ka lingkor ka pakhya ba pan perkhat shabi lek ba thap bot ha ka arthanyam tari